Well, hello and welcome to a quick unboxing of the TBS CrossFire. And let's open it up really quick and take a look inside. Oh yeah, fancy pansy. So this is the big module. So we'll go up to 200 milliwatts. It has Bluetooth and all that fancy stuff. And here we have the JR bay to make it fit into the Tyrannus. Okay. Then we have a little card, more items, blah blah blah, and a cable. I think this one is for the Spectrum, or let's say the old trainer port. Now you can mod the DX9 to use CRFS output, the digital output as well. And this is Grobman, I think. And then we have the power plug. And this one is a DIY one. Cool. Let's see if there's something underneath it. There is. This way. So we get a little inverter. I think that's for the QX7 radio with a little problem. It won't use the telemetry at the right speed. So like the telemetry is too fast for the QX7, so it needs to use this inverter. And there's I'm not sure if it's the Immortal T, but it's a T transmitter antenna. So I will screw on here. Okie dokie. That looks like all that's to it. Very cool. So I'm not sure if I'm going to glue it on there. Actually, it's more like this. Cool. Okay, so much for the unboxing. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.